Hello and welcome to Tuesday, I guess already. Here we are closing in on 4th of July, here with things you should know today. And Pat has graciously joined me today. He's an independent insurance broker with Equity Group Insurance. And we're talking about why, especially coming off of the really brutal, snowy and icy winter and even spring that we had, it's really important for you to check your car insurance and even your homeowner's insurance. A lot of these rates are going up, Pat.
Yeah, they are, and a lot of times when you have your particular insurance company, you may have been used to them, staying with them for 10, 20, 30 years and not really paid attention to the exact coverages you have and also your premiums, if they've ever escalated or de-escalated. Usually it's an escalation situation. When people call me, they say, well, my rates are going up, so what can you help me with?
Well, because some people, you were telling me, they feel like they've been with this company for 15, 20, 30 years. I must be getting a great rate for my loyalty, but not always.
Right. So the difference between an independent broker company is like us. We shop various, multiple carriers, let's say. And if you have an exclusive carrier, then they're going to just give you one rate. But we can shop 5, 6 different companies and get the best rate with the best coverages as well. So it's always prudent, let's say, to evaluate your insurance once a year at least. Mm-hmm. Call your person that you know. You might not even know which company you're with, but check with the company you know and then find out a little bit more about what coverages you have and what your premiums are and if they've gone up. Or take a look at your policy statements when they come in the mail. Yeah,
and you said people don't do that. They don't call. 98% of people don't call you and say, hey, can I get a better rate this year?
Well, when they see it on their bank statement that all of a sudden their premium went up, $600 a year, they start wondering, and that's when we get a lot of calls. So it's important for you to be proactive and call your person, call your agent, call us if you would prefer, but call and find out exactly what coverages you have at least once a year.
Well, and he was explaining that because of the brutal winter we had and there were so many accidents, and we know with the amount of people moving to our area that certain carriers have really, if they had a lot of claims this winter, their rates have gone up, but perhaps other carriers didn't.
Right. So because we're getting several people moving to our state every single year, and it's increasing every year, plus the heavy ice storms and the snowstorms that we had this past winter, certain carriers' rates have gone up, but other carriers didn't experience all the claims as much as other carriers. So it's important for you to check to see what happened to your rates during that time.
It's a simple money-saving phone call that an independent broker like Pat or somebody else can help you out with. So thank you. Good information.
Thanks
Appreciate it. Go save some money, and I'll see you tomorrow with more things you should know.